this is Rena from thecheesethief.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet. So just turn it around so you can see. And you do want to set up your loom bands in this order. So just do it exactly like this because it's easier to follow the tutorial. You can change this color band, so whatever colors you want. But I always recommend doing like a white and a colored for the first tutorial just because it makes it easier to follow. So I'm going to start with my pencil loom and I'm just going to do a figure 8. And then I'm going to put the next 2 bands on the pegs. And then I'm going to pull up the bottom band. So that's just a very basic first step. Next, I'm going to take my white band and then place it on my pegs. And then I'm going to take the left side and I'm going to pull it up like that. Now, when you work, so this is how I remember the pattern, because patterns are kind of hard to remember when you first start something. When you work with the white band, you're only going to pull up white bands. And when you work with the color bands, you're only going to pull up color bands. So now I'm going to take this white one and then pull it to the left. Sorry, from the left to the right. I'm going to pull it from the left to the right and take this bottom white band and then pull it up like this. And then I'm going to put the white one back. So that is your first stitch. Now I have my red band. So this is my color band. I'm going to put it on the 2 pegs. And then this is also why I told you to put it in this order. When you put your white bands on the left and your color bands on the right, you're going to work off the right now. So every time you have a color band, you work the right and you're only going to pull up colors. So you pull up this color band up, this purple one on the bottom up, and then you're going to pull this pink one over, and then you're going to pull this purple one like that. And then you're going to put the pink one back. Okay, I'm going to do it a little slower. So now I'm working on my white band. So when you work with your white band, you're only pulling out white bands, and it was on the left, which means you start on this left band. So this bottom left band goes up, then this left band goes to the right, and then you're going to take the bottom band, the bottom white band, and pull it up, and then you're going to put this top white band back where it was. So now I'm working with my color blue band, so I'm going to put the color band on my peg. And since it was on this side, you always pull up the right side. You're going to pull it up, and I'm only working with color bands, so I'm only going to be moving them. So now I'm going to put the blue one over, and then we're going to pull this bottom pink one up and over, and then we're going to put the blue one back. I'm going to start again. So it's the same pattern with white, with the colors and the whites, but you just start on different sides. So since it was on this left side, we pull the left band up, we pull this white one back over onto the right side, and then we pull up the white one, and then we put the white one back. Again, now I'm working on my color bands, and it was on the right side, which means I pull up my right band, and then I put this purple one onto this peg. So now there's like 4 bands on this peg, and then I pull this blue one over, and then I put this back. Now I have my white band, which is on the left side, which means I'm pulling up my left band. I'm only going to touch my white bands because I put on a white band, and then I pull the bottom one up and over, and then this top one goes back over. Okay, so when you put a color band on, since it's on the right side, you're going to pull up your right band, and then this pink band goes onto the left peg. So there's 1 band on the side, 4 bands on that side. You can pull up the last band so it goes up and over, and put the pink one back, and then you start your stitch again. So let's start the stitch again. We have our white band, put the white band up, and then we're going to pull this white band on the side, 4 bands on one side, 1 on the other, pull up the white band. We're only touching white bands because we put a white band on top. Put the blue band on top. Since we pulled it from the right side, we're going to pull up our right band, put the blue band on the side, and pull this up. So I hope that makes it easier to remember. I try to set it up and kind of put patterns in my head so that even sometimes I get confused. Do I pull up the left band? Do I pull up the right band? So this method makes it easier. You know, when you put it from the left side, you're gonna pull up the left band. And then another thing to remember is that when you work with a white band, you're only gonna pull up white bands. So this purple one goes on top. I'm gonna pull up the purple, the blue, pull this purple on this side, and then pull up and over. I'm gonna do it one more time. So white band on top, pull up, since we're working on the left side, we pull white, only touching the white band, and pull them over. And then if you wanted to end it, you just put one more band on top and then do the same thing. So I put the pink band, but now if you wanted to end it, you can just pull up your white band, and then get a clip. I just clip it onto my existing S clip right now. And then there you have your bracelet. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please visit me at thecheesetief.com for more tutorials like this. Be sure to check out my other rainbow loom tutorials and my other videos. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for watching. Bye now.